What's up, YouTube? You guys are here today with Sesh One, and gonna be showing today what I got recently transferred to me. It's an M&P15 Sport 2. As you can tell, this is a California model. It doesn't have a threaded barrel for any muzzle brakes. It's fixed stock and the fin grip, unfortunately. And I'm going to be taking this apart so we can get it ready for first range day. Remove all of the factory assembly lubrications. And so today we're going to be taking it apart and cleaning all that out and putting new oil inside. Well, then again, this is an M&P Sport 2. And it's chambered in 5.56 223. And hopefully later down the line I can buy some parts and put it in here and maybe get a new upper for it. I'm debating should I get a 20-inch barrel or not for this thing and keep it like an A2 style. Also, this is not a sponsored video by any means, but I want to give a shout out to Sightmark. I had a recent failure of this sight where this adjustment screw or selector on the reticle was loose. As you can tell, it's not loose now. And they went ahead and sent me out a new one, and this is the new replacement. I had this originally installed in my Galil, and I just recently received it a couple weeks ago, and I never really did a review on it, but thank you to them for sending me out another replacement. It means a lot to me, as I don't have as much money to buy another sight. And it works well for the most part. It doesn't really give me bad astigmatism as I have it really bad. And for the price point, you can't really beat it. It's pretty cheap. I mean, yes, you could save up a little more money and buy a better sight. But to me, to be honest, it's for a range toy. So I wouldn't mind having, an extra sight laying around. Especially if it's cheap, you could throw it around. It still holds zero for the most part. And so far, when I first had it installed on my Glil, it worked just fine. I've never had any issues other than this getting loose. But it seems like they sent me out a better one, and it doesn't get loose. So thank you, Sightmark, once again. Check it out. It is the Ultra Shot R-Spec. So first things first, I'm going to be removing this True Glow sight. I'm going to keep referencing where I had it installed, and it appears to be right at 12. T12 is where I had it installed for reference for me, so I can review the video later. And so we're going to be pushing these pins out. And first things first, we're going to check this thing's loaded. And she is not loaded. You can use a punch if you can't get these things out all the way. But try not to damage anything. There's that. It's in half. This one's kind of stubborn, so I might have to use the punch to get this one out. But it should come off. Not sure if you guys can see that, but I will be removing the bolt carrier group and the charging handle. And you see how dry it is. It has no lube on it. Fairly dried. It's firing from the factory. little brass, and also I had sighted this in with a borescope sight. Well, not in the bore, but the kind that you put around into the chamber. It has a laser in it, and I see the brass from that. But yeah, it's pretty dried. No lube whatsoever. Take out the buffer spring. Just be careful. There's a detent there. You can use like a little flathead. Once you get that out, it should be able to come out. And so, yeah, pretty dry. If you mind taking a look at that. And so the inside of the chamber of the feed ramp, pretty dry also. So after we remove all the internals, as the BCG, buffer spring, and the weight and the charging handle, I'm gonna be hammering out this pin with a nylon / brass hammer, but I'm gonna use the nylon side. And that comes out. There's a little detent in there, so you gotta be careful not to pull it out all the way. And then you have this in half from the upper. And thank you for watching, and I will be getting to this, and I will reinstall this off camera. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.